Hey friends, if you wish to adjust screen brightness on your Windows 11 PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. You can go to the system tray and you'll find the brightness icon here. Or an easier method would be to search for brightness and then click on change brightness level. Okay. And then you can click on this downward pointing arrow and you will get even more options where you can change the brightness based on the content. Okay. So I usually turn it off so that brightness remains in my control because that is not the default setting. And then you can use the slider to change the brightness. These are the two main methods and there is no other method that is required unless you are using a third party software product, which I strongly recommend against. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.